Alright, well, for everyone watching at home, I don't know what bullet weight this is, and in fact, I don't know the bullet weights on basically any of these. I suspect that those are 550 grains, but that's about all I got to go off of. No idea on the powder charge, the velocity, the BC, basically anything. But we were told to use this ammo up, and that's what we're going to do. This is an 1885 high wall with the new 6-power long Malcolm scope mounts in there. They go directly into the dovetail so you don't have to drill and tap. I'm not worried about that today though. The target really darn far away. Let's see what happens. Should already be running.
Which target?
Right column, middle sheet, number 3.
Okay, I see. I think I see. I think it's on the left sheet, on the third, at the top of the page, between targets 4 and 5.
I see what you mean.
It hit just right of target 5. So we need to move it double the amount to the left.
And up.
And up, yep. This ammo wasn't labeled, so it could be just all over the place.
It is. Okay, so I need to come left and move the front to the right. Yeah.
Yep. It feels stiff?
What's that?
Was that load stiff?
Yeah, it was a little hot. For the viewers at home, these are the 550 grain Spitzer tips with an unknown amount of powder behind them. Apparently, it was a lot. Okay, I got 4 more. Alright, sighter again.
Yeah, you blew that target up, target 1.
So it's tumbling. Whoa! You know what? Let's go distance.
Alright.
Why not? We're not getting consistent results. Besides, I found out these are mixed too. He's got blood nose, Spitzer's also available. Okay. So it's 86?
Yeah.
Alright. That's going to be 21 and a half turns. Okay folks, this ammo's been giving us pretty inconsistent results. I think I've already stumbled across a 300 grain, a 405 grain, a 485 grain, and 2 variations of the 550 grain. So I've dialed up, what did we do, 84, 86 MOA?
86.
86 MOA, it's 21 and a half turns. Still got more adjustment to go, but I don't know where this is going to land. I pointed at a target at 650 yards and hoping to see a splash on the hillside. Muzzle velocity.
Oh, way high. The windage was good. Maybe like a half target to the right, but it went like 5 targets up higher.
Each target's what, 30 inches, that's 5 inches, 25 down?
That's what it seems like. Maybe just put a 10 down and see what puts us. It's the trick. grip too. It's like you see the smoke and it's like 5 seconds after you see the splash.
You are
just
2
over.
targets high, half target left.
I was doing a left edge hold.
So, come down 1 turn.
I was in a hold low.
No, do your plan. Go ahead and hold. Let's see if it's even consistent. Far right, just above the 20-inch. So, what's our dispersion, like 20 feet?
Okay, that was close.
Ooh. These are much more consistent. I've been holding a little more.
Just
Okay, so it's the seating depth that's the big issue here. See how you feel. Okay. Now we're cooking with fire.
just off the edge, 1 o'clock.
They put some powder in that one. That roar. Hit. Is it?
Yep.
He did. We both got it once.
Is it recording?
It is.